Are you good?
Huh?
Are you good?
Yeah, dude, I don't even know what the fuck happened. I was going probably about 15 miles an hour and I came around here and I hit a bump or something and fucking just turned sideways.
Oh my goodness.
Fucking hit the back of it.
Side airbags, boy. You good? You sure you're fine?
Yeah, oh man, I'm fucking perfect. I appreciate you stopping. Yeah, I don't even know. It literally, the only thing that fucking hit was his back wheel.
That's crazy. Yeah, I see that.
It deployed the fucking airbags and everything. But yeah, like I said, I wasn't going fast at all to hurt me, but I don't know what the fuck.
Probably a stupid pothole. Or they did the black tar. It's been slippy for me.
Yeah,
I was slipping around.
Yeah, every time I come around here, the back end slides a little bit, but it this time it just fucking went this way and then it came back and twisted all the way back around on me.
You have good insurance?
Yeah.
Good.
I got top of the line. I know better than that. It's too nice a car to have.
Exactly, I like it. GT350.
I ain't had it for fucking 6 months too.
Of course.
That's the shittiest part about it.
Of course. Oh, I hate that. I love the color. Is that a gray or is it a green?
Magnetic gray.
Magnetic gray, okay.
Yeah. I got a truck the same color as it.
Okay.
I love the color. But, oh well.
You got the police coming? You got somebody coming?
Yeah, I called them a little bit ago. They're supposed to be on their way, but I have no idea where the hell they are. I called them like 10 minutes ago, so. But good thing nobody did get hurt.
Yeah, yeah. Anything you need, you good?
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Good luck, man. So sorry.
Yeah, be safe on your
I'm
drive.
going, you too.